In this video, we will be covering how to test a tutorial that you have created. First, press the Save button on top of the Visual Tutorial Editor. This will save a .json file in your Downloads folder. The default file name of the file is form-data.json. If you continue to save your tutorial without relocating the files, they will be downloaded as form-data-2, form-data-3, and so on. To test your tutorial, open up a model, click on the More icon, click on the load.n logo model, choose the most recent file you saved from the Visual Tutorial Editor. You should be able to test your tutorial from here. That is it for this video. I will be covering how to implement specific features in other videos, so please take a look at those if you want.